Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and kicking off the first action. On the source phone, open WhatsApp and force a fresh backup now. This ensures you move the latest chats and media. Once done, verify the backup timestamp so you know what's synced. Make sure the target phone is logged into the same Google or iCloud account and has WhatsApp installed but not yet set up. This avoids conflicts. Why? Because backups tie to accounts and numbers, so matching them prevents restore failures. Now you handle the core transfer steps and validation. On Android, copy the WhatsApp folder to the new device in the same path. For iPhone, use iCloud or a direct device transfer option. Apple blocks file level moves, so follow the official flow. Next, install WhatsApp on the target and begin setup using the same phone number. When prompted, tap Restore to pull the backup. Make sure there's enough free space and a stable connection, because interrupted restores often corrupt message index. Finish by letting WhatsApp restore fully, then verify chats and recent media. You should keep Wi-Fi active and avoid closing the app. Media can trickle in after messages appear. If the restore fails, don't panic. Make sure the phone number matches, the same Google or iCloud account is used, and WhatsApp has storage permissions, then try again. If problems persist, create a new fresh backup on the source, repeat the file transfer or cloud restore, and that usually resolves corrupted or out-of-date backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.